Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on an alcohol ink tumbler. This was a custom order and I'm starting out here. My alcohol inks I used are Stream, Mermaid, and Black, and then I have some white paint and some gold paint. And first off, I cut up a sponge, just a regular like dish sponge, and it wasn't that great. I don't recommend using this kind. I would use like a magic eraser or a makeup sponge. But we're just gonna start out with Mermaid, and I'm just gonna randomly put this in different spots around the cup. Like I said, this was a custom order. The girl wanted a cup that the cup looked like it had, like you took a paintbrush and just pounced it all around the cup with different colors: green, black, gold, and white. The same colors that I'm using. But it looked like, you know, like the end of a paintbrush. You just pounced it all around. I told her I could do that, or I could do alcohol ink. I think it would look cooler, and I showed her some alcohol ink cups and she liked it, so that's what we're going with. So right now I'm just going to do one section of the cup with the whole technique that I'm using and just see how it's going to look. So I'm adding the different colors here. A second ago you saw me trying to see what the white looked like. It looked like crap. So over the Mermaid I'm using Stream because I wanted it turned it kind of yellow, so I needed to add some green back into it. So I'm just adding some Stream and Mermaid back in. And then in a second you'll see I put the white paint on a sponge and just dab it around, and the same with the gold. So here I am getting ready to switch to a paintbrush. It worked so much better, and I have a little cup of alcohol, and I just dip my brush and dab it off a little bit and then go over each of these colors, and it gives it the really cool cell look, I think is what you call it. I did have way too much alcohol on my brush here, so I had to get a paper towel and clean it up a little bit. But that's okay. I can just go back over it with more ink and keep going. Also, if my audio sounds kind of weird, I'm in the car waiting for my kids at school. So I'm getting ready to do the white paint, and I'm just gonna dab it around. So once I dab the white on, I'm gonna take my paintbrush and go back over some of the spots with the ink. I did more white than I wanted. That way I could see what it looked like and just cover up what I didn't want there. Also, that gold that I put on was not a good paint, so I just wiped it off. It came off super easy and just went back in with a different one. I don't remember what they are, just something I found at the craft store. So I'm just going to continue this around the rest of the cup, and then I will show you what it looks like when I have all of the ink on. Also, stay tuned because my next 5 cups are gonna be teachers' gifts. I have 5 teachers I'm making cups for the end of the year, and they're all bee themed. Nothing crazy. I didn't do anything too special, but well, one of them is not bee themed, but 4 of them are. So stay tuned for that. So here it is with all of the inks on it. I'm getting ready to put epoxy on now. And here it is with epoxy on it. It turned out really good. In the next coat of epoxy, I did put some superfine glitter in. Here you can't really see the glitter very well, but this is it all finished. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.